Hello folks, welcome back to Jay's Journey. In today's episode, we are back in Tangier and we will continue to explore the food here. A few days ago, we have a huge honey feast lamb and it is totally awesome. Right now, my body is craving for some more balanced food, not as greasy as the previous one. So it's not like people's impression about Moroccan's food is just heavy meat. They do have lighter, more balanced diet, stewed, steamed. And today, I'm going to show you what is it all about. A perfectly balanced diet that the locals here really love. Stay tuned and watch till later because later we will be having lots of delicious food like swordfish. There's also lamb that we love so much. So keep watching. Right, so Moroccans always start the meal with some bread for starters. Of course, they'll always go with lots of variety of dips like this one. There's literally like tens of dozens of bread types that go with different dishes. And now, this is the first dish that I promised, the legendary swordfish. It's served with a sweet onion-based sauce that sounds absolutely incredible. Because Morocco here is actually pretty famous about seafood. This meat is really tight, like a steak, but it is a fish. And it melts in the mouth. And the sweet sauce is perfect to go with the fish. And I'm not gonna waste it. This sweet sauce will be using up to soak with my bread. It's gonna be a very deadly combination. Do you know that Morocco is the top sea producer in the world? You can bet that they have good fresh fish here. Moving on, let's have some couscous. It's a North African staple with a base full of tiny grains of granules. It's a full steamed dish with stewed carrots and tender lamb inside. Paired with very savory soup, you will need to pour it in to let the grains enhance the flavor. The whole taste is actually pretty fluffy and earthy. The carrot has been stewed until they are like technically butter softness. Look at how easily my spoon just cut through this carrot. Totally awesome. And let's not forget about the hidden lamb meat that is inside. I'm digging out this piece of protein like a treasure hunt. It's so fun. And finally, this is definitely the main dish of the day. This is the lamb tajine. It is a Moroccan Berber dish. It's cooked in this earthenware pot. It's very iconic. The specialty of the pot, right, is it's shaped in a way that the steam is circulate, so the lamb will stay juicy. There's also certain sweetness inside that came from the apricorn, and this is totally a dish that I really enjoyed. Now let's proceed on and have some afternoon high tea. I'm gonna have some coffee here at this fanciful coffee place. My Moroccan's bro has been telling me that this is a place that you must visit. Check out the inside. The unique part of this shop is it's filled with lots of coffee beans, different varieties all peeled all around, outside of the shop, inside of the shop, on the shelf. Of course, this place not only serves you coffee, there's also cakes, ice cream. Moroccans really love sweet stuff, huh? There's a secret that everybody's know is Moroccans take their coffee very seriously. They love deep, rich coffee. The coffee culture here is stunning. They like to push it with luxury, visual stunning place. It's not only for the coffee but also for the experience. One of the famous Moroccan coffee that everybody know is actually called the Bacha coffee. If you have seen it in airports, it has lots of shops. That is a very good representative of Moroccan's coffee. My coffee is finally being served and I'm going for a double shot Arabica coffee with a pistachio ice cream. If you have known that I have actually studied coffee back in Vietnam and I really love tasting coffee from all around the world. If you're interested to see more about coffee stuff, check out my video in Vietnam. For now, let's continue our Morocco adventures and be sure to subscribe to the channel.